Hi, hello everyone. So we are guys, 2021 is over and we're in 2022. So I just want to wish you all a happy new year. I wish you all the best this year with long life, health, strength, whatever it is that you have to do. I do encourage you to do it this year and make a great change in your life. All right, even if it's forex, whatever it is, keep consistent in it and it will happen. Me as well, I'm applying the same and I'm doing the same. So guys, this is a new video and I do hope that it is helpful, and I'm sorry for taking so long to bring a new video. It's almost 2 months since I posted the last series. You could go check it out. It's on based on volume and areas that I look at with specific with indicators. And one of my favorite indicators I use is the RSI, but I don't use the RSI in like a normal way like everybody uses the RSI. This is just me, this is just my way of using the RSI. So what I have the normal RSI, but I change the settings to 11. You will not get this indicator just so it's a paid version. Uh, I do have it. It's $30 US for the indicator. What it is basically it's a two color change RSI. So when it's oversold, it shows you green, and when it's overbought, it shows you red. Red means hey, that's an area that you should start be looking for sells, and it also do arrows for you. All right, it also do an arrow based system for you. So let me show you guys exactly how this indicator works and what I use it for. So okay, so basically the RSI works like this. I'm on the H4 time frame. I'm gonna use the H4, right? I'm on the H4. So this area here that I'm going to draw a line, I draw this white line here, is basically was held for uh, several times. As you can see, this line held all the way through here, held all the way through here, and it's still holding, and it finally break. So basically this break is just a retest. So this is the retest of that break. This retest went all the way in this area here. Alright, so let me just move this line. So this now is where I use the RSI to help me to identify when will it be another change. So look, the RSI is telling me it's selling, it's selling, it's selling. From this area here, from this high, it's actually telling me the pullback, the structural pullback. Remember, price broke finally after so many weeks or months. It broke. This is its pullback to basically this area of value. Let me show you. Right, so it's a downtrend, and this is just a pullback, right, for the continuation. So price in this area here, from the top to the bottom, there is some sort of area that price would not be able to go further. So the RSI tells me, hey, it's overbought here. It's overbought, it's overbought, it's overbought. So if I do look in this area here, you're gonna see it's red, right? It's telling me it's overbought. Remember, I'm on the H4 time frame. So yeah, I had one touch, two touch, I draw my trend line. My trend line is here. I break the trend line. It retests. Good. Now my indicator is saying it's over extended, meaning it's overbought. I will enter now. I will basically enter this trade, right? I will enter this trade straight down, possibly if I find an area of support that it will go. So I enter this trade. You can enter this trade based on the RSI arrow that it give you and hold on until it give you a green one. That's one way. So if I entered here, this candle entered here, and it give me a green one, that is about 170 pips. Plain facts, right? So we get another red arrow into another structure here, right? Tells me, hey, we had a bounce here, we had a touch. When that touch break this touch, bam, the RSI is saying, hey, it's over. It's over. So overbought. I got an arrow here. I enter again and I exit off of the next green arrow. So here was my entry. The next green arrow was here. So basically that's like a 50 pip trade, but this is like some good weeks. You have to hold on. But if you understand more price action, you can use it differently. All right. So, um, so price is showing me, hey, price is oversold. Now I'm looking for reversal. In this area, it's saying oversold, it's saying oversold, it's saying oversold. It's consolidated. It's a range. Finally, the indicator is saying that it's overbought. So when it's overbought, what do? I hold on until I see a red arrow. Mainly, I wouldn't do that, right? But that is just that. So, guys, this is how I look at the RSI, the area of values in my pullbacks, my retracements, whatever you call it. So presently, let me give you a top-down analysis without the RSI, right? Don't want to make this video too long, so I'll be talking really quickly. All right. So let's see. I start off at the weekly. All right. So this weekly has closed in strong green. That's bullish. We have a bullish close. And if I look to the left, there is basically we are at a resistance. So basically, if I look more, price broke this area. He came back down. That's one touch. He's again. That's two touch, three touch, four touch, and he's on. So he's break. So this area here is basically resistance. Now this candle here looks interesting. This candle was very bullish, and he closed bearish. So from here, this high, and he went all the way down to here. So he's at price is back at this area here. Let's go down to the daily. Great, great. Let's see. Great. So here for me is one touch where price break below, and this line supposed to hold from here to this area as a resistance, but he actually is supposed to hold from this area here. He actually broke that area and came back to this area, right? So that's where he's at presently. So even though I look here, and this candle here shows me that there is no power even on the weekly. Let's go back and see. This candle here. This is not an area. From here to where price goes all the way down and pull back is a strong area of there is sellers in the market. This one shows me that price opened here, went all the way up and closed right here. So there is not an area of value here, but this candle will work really well. So there is where we at. This one is where we at presently. what is the RSI telling me? It's overbought. We have 1 hour there, we have 1 hour there. On each four, we have a couple of arrows. We do not have a red one for sell yet. Am I waiting for a red one for sell? I am seeing basically a trend line, right? We have one touch, two touches, etc. And even though I am on the hourly time frame, we do have green ones stating that hey, it is over bought, right? So I will be looking for um, sell sells this week. So we also have a double top at this area here. We also have a double top at this area here. Uh, the settings that I have on my RSI works really great as well at an area of um, pullbacks. Like let's say you're in a downtrend and you'll have a temporary pullback. For example, show you this. So we are down. This here area here was broken by this candle. So basically, price once price remains in this area here, it will tell you that we are still in the selling area, right? So let's put uh, this area here. You can see. Let's go to the each one. That will be the 11th and the 9th month. So as you can see, this area broken. So this area from here to here, price must come back in an area. So we had oversold or overextended areas, right? And you could have take this for yourself. Let's go back to page 4, right? Let me move this line for you, show you again. Right, so price now broke this area here. So you can come all the way up to here. Once you break this area, you are still in the area of sells. Now the RSI touched over here, and let's go to the 11th or the 17th. The 11th or the 17th is where the RSI touched here. Form the double top, and you are free to go short. So the two color change helps me with identifying really great what area I have. I don't look at what the RSI does. It gives me a confirmation already for my strategy. Alright, so I do hope that this video is helpful. So I am looking for selling opportunity this week. Right, from here, here, we have a double top where can be your target. Your target can be this area here, this area here. You can pause the video and look on this side and you'll see where those take profits at, and even this area here and this area here.